Hello traders, welcome to Paragon FX Trading. First of all, we see GBP USD. As we predicted in previous video, our target has been almost done. Now, next, you can see that this high has been broken now. Body has been closed above this high. Look at this. This has been broken now. Now market should come to this area. This is the market next target, but you have to buy from a best demand zones. Go to the small time frame like H1. H1 time frame. This is the demand zone first. You can buy from this area or sell from this area. As I come to the D1 time frame, this supply market definitely touched this supply zone. This supply area. Then after rejections we can take sell. This is a GBP USD. Now come to GBP CHF. Last day we predicted GBP CHF will drop from here, and look at this, the result. Now come to this demand zone. This demand area is very important. Market can do this and should wait for rejection and then go out. The GBP CHF very simple. Now come to USD CHF. Look at this. USD CHF has broken this trend line, but you have to consider this trend line. Do not forget this trend line. It has been broken, but not retested. Do not enter in buying conditions. This is the demand zone, this area. Market will come from this area. As come to the D1 time frame, remove it, come to the line chart. You can see that this area, and the most important, this area is important for buying. Market, then go buy. This is the important areas for USD CHF. Please do not enter in buying. it's still selling. Okay, this is still selling, this is the best demand zones on this area, still selling market. Or come to the Euro USD. Look at this. As we predicted in previous video, Euro USD has completed the target, break down this high, high has been broken now. This is the demand zone. Should come from this area, and here is the supply also, this area. This area is important. If this break, then very long buy conditions can be created. Come to the D1 time frame, we have to check D1 time frame. Market has broken this high. This area is strong supply zone. Okay, line chart will clear us. Yes, this area. Yes, 1, 2, and 3. This is a great supply zone in this area. Wait for buying, and this TL is also important. Okay, candles. Eurocat. Eurocat has been rejected from the demand zone with I think so not. This TL is important. This area, you can see this area is now important. You have to see a buying in Eurocat because lot of liquidity is present above this area. Very lot of liquidity. Come to H4 time frame. Look at this. This high has been broken. This high. Yes, market has been broken. Market has broken this high. Look at this. Now where is the demand zone? Here is the demand zone. SL should be below this demand zone. Market come this area and then go up because a lot of liquidity is present above this area, and this zone should trade according to the rules. Come to the gold. As we said, gold in weekly time frame again same chart. This is the channel. When this channel is broke, then we can sell long sell till 1650, 1670 or 1800, because this high is still holding. This high, this low, okay, and this low. This TL is still holding. Come to the D1 time frame. Look at this. Still holding. This TL and this high should break together, and then market should come to this area. This is one TP. We should be TP1 and TP2. But as I said, you that market. Look at this. Can come this area, because there is a lot of liquidity. This zone still untraded, but this is the rising channel. The selling pattern. Now come to the H4 time frame. Again, this is the buying zone. This is the selling zone. Okay, this is the selling zone, and I'm waiting. This is clear picture of gold. If this TL is break, this TL is break, and market can touch this area, and if break, then this is the supply. 2010, as I mentioned in D1 time frame. These are the main zones. These are the main zones in gold. 1, 2, and 3. If market come to this area, and I hope so market will come this area, 1917 and 1980, and it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4th touch. It is very strong, and also the weak area, because market can come to this area because lot of liquidity, and can do the SL of peoples. Look at this. Strong rejection at this area. This area. Very, very important, this area. This in area and with trend line. Because there is a double support. Trend line and this area. Look at this, broken but don't. Come to the line chart. Look at this, line chart. Look at this. You can see that this is the fake breakout. D1 time frame. Look at this. Okay, but if we adjust at the look at this, as we adjusted the market do not break this area, and I hope so this time market go to this area again. 2020, 2046, to confuse the people that gold is making high, then market will sharply drop from this area. At this area, do not sell before the breaking of this area. Buying from this bottom, 1940s to 1935 area is buying area, and here is the selling area is now 1976. These are okay guys, thank you so much.